Today I am reviewing the Skytech Blaze4 mini desktop PC. If at any time you'd like to explore this product for yourself and grab it at a great price, be sure to check the links below the video. The Skytech Blaze4 mini desktop PC is a compact yet powerful gaming machine that aims to deliver high-end performance without taking up much desk space. At first glance, it's clear that this system is designed for gamers who want strong performance, modern hardware, and a clean, minimal footprint, all without the hassle of building a PC from scratch. Let's start with performance, because that's where this machine really shines. At its core, the Blaze4 Mini is powered by the Intel Core i5-14400F processor. This is a modern 14th generation CPU that balances performance and efficiency extremely well. With a base clock of 2.5 GHz and a turbo boost up to 4.7 GHz, it handles gaming, multitasking, and even light content creation smoothly. Whether you're running demanding AAA games or juggling multiple applications, this processor keeps things responsive and consistent. Paired with that CPU is the NVIDIA GeForce RTX 5060 Ti with 16 GB of DDR5 memory. This is a major highlight. A GPU of this caliber is more than capable of handling modern titles at 1440p resolution with high to ultra settings. You can expect smooth frame rates in games like competitive shooters, open-world RPGs, and even newer, more demanding releases. The 16 GB of VRAM also provides a level of future-proofing, especially as games continue to demand more graphical memory. It's not just about gaming either. This GPU also performs well in tasks like video editing, 3D rendering, and AI-assisted workflows. Moving on to memory and storage, the system comes equipped with 16 GB of DDR5 RAM running at 5,200 MHz. This is fast, modern memory that ensures smooth multitasking and quick load times. For most gamers, 16 GB is the sweet spot, and the DDR5 speed gives an extra edge over older systems. Storage is handled by a 1TB Gen4 NVMe SSD, which is significantly faster than traditional hard drives and even older SSDs. Boot times are nearly instant, and games load incredibly fast. You'll also have enough space to store a decent library of games and applications without immediately worrying about upgrades. One of the standout aspects of the Blaze4 Mini is its compact design. Despite its smaller size, it doesn't compromise on airflow or cooling. The case features a front mesh panel and ARGB fans, allowing for good ventilation and a bit of visual flair. The high-performance air cooler keeps temperatures under control during long gaming sessions, which is crucial for maintaining performance and longevity. In terms of connectivity and usability, the system includes Wi-Fi support, multiple USB ports, HDMI, and DisplayPort outputs. This makes it easy to connect to a variety of peripherals and displays. It also comes with Windows 11 pre-installed, so you can get started right out of the box. Another nice touch is the inclusion of a free gaming keyboard and mouse. While they may not be premium peripherals, they're perfectly usable for beginners or as backup gear. The power supply is a 650W gold-rated unit, which is a solid choice for this configuration. It provides efficient and stable power delivery, and it also leaves a bit of room for minor upgrades down the line. Speaking of upgrades, the system is built in a way that allows for future expansion, although the compact case may limit larger component swaps. Now, no product is perfect, and there are a couple of considerations to keep in mind. The mini form factor, while great for saving space, can make upgrades slightly more restrictive compared to a full-size tower. Also, while the included peripherals are convenient, more serious gamers will likely want to upgrade them eventually. That said, the overall value proposition here is very strong. You're getting a well-balanced system with a modern CPU, a powerful GPU, fast memory, and high-speed storage, all assembled, tested, and ready to go. For gamers who don't want to deal with compatibility issues or the complexity of building their own PC, this is a very appealing option. In real-world use, the Blaze4 Mini handles a wide range of games with ease. From fast-paced competitive titles to graphically intense single-player experiences, it delivers smooth gameplay and consistent performance. It's also capable of handling streaming, light editing, and everyday productivity tasks without breaking a sweat. To sum it up, the Skytech Blaze4 mini desktop PC is an excellent choice for gamers looking for a compact, powerful, and reliable system. It strikes a great balance between performance, size, and convenience. Whether you're upgrading from an older PC or stepping into PC gaming for the first time, this machine offers a solid and future-ready experience. If you want strong 1440p gaming performance in a compact package, without the stress of building your own rig, the Blaze4 Mini is definitely worth considering.